Your body wants to heal. It's a brilliant, it's brilliant in its understanding of how the body heals. It knows how to heal you. The question is, are you supporting it or are you working against it? Every cell in your body is working towards balance, repair, and renewal. So, what are your daily habits? That's the question. Are you eating pizza and hot dogs, fast food, or are you eating green? Are you drinking celery juice every day? Are you hydrating? That's the question. Your habits are crucial. Every day support your body. So, if you want to know more, click on the link below. Have 30 minutes of free conversation with me, and I will give you all the advice I can. And like it, subscribe to my channel, and I will keep going.